Hello guys, welcome to our channel Tutorial River, and in this video I'll be telling you how to get any skin in your Valorant store. So first open up your browser, type write support in the search panel. Go to the first website. Now make sure to log into your right ID. Scroll down in this page. Click on submit a ticket. Click on Valorant. And now the ticket submission window will pop up. To choose a request type, it will be in-game questions and in-game content related questioning. Your subject should be about the skin that you want in your store. For instance, in here I want to buy Magepunk Phantom, so I'll just tell Riot that I really want to buy the Magepunk Phantom. But it did not show up in my store. Inquiry would be in-game content, the first one. And here it will be others. In the description you have to type and request to Riot that why you really want to buy this skin and how desperate you are. So I'll just say I'm saving BP for Magepunk Phantom, but it did not show up in my store in a long time. And please, I want to buy it, etc, etc. And now click on submit. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.